What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. Safuugo recently just launched, and I checked out Safu protocol before, and Safuugo was being launched from my video. So everybody that got into that launch, got in there, got some nice gains from that video, right? 1,840 followers on Safuugo. Successful launch. Safuugo is here. 4,000 tokens already have been burnt. They're going crazy, man. I know they got CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing coming up. A lot of things being done for Safuugo, man. Partnerships being developed. You know, I'm not sure if they're gonna develop an official website for Safuugo. Right now it is on the safu.com website, which is what we checked out previously, Safu protocol, right? And then we saw from the Safu protocol website, Safuugo was being launched, right? Safuugo is coming V2 reborn again, and now it is officially launched, and it is very bullish. Okay, it's very bullish. A lot of people in the Binance Smart Chain community are very bullish on this project, and you know, from the chart you can see it has been crushing it. Everybody that got in, man, they are up great. Okay, 1% buy tax, 1.5% buy and sell tax, not bad. You know, if you missed getting in, whether it was a fair launch, pre-sale, you name it, if you missed getting in there, you could have got in at the dip right here, already be up 2x. And yeah, man, it is being developed out. CoinMarketCap, this is one of those ones that, like I said, the Binance Smart Chain community, people on BSC are super bullish on. There's content creators that make videos on this project constantly. Like if you go here, YouTube, there's constant content creation being made here. 3.8k views, 12 streamed 12 days ago. Brian Legend, 51k subscribers right here. He is a very integral part of the Safu project, man. Visionary, entrepreneur, influencer, investor, co-founder of Oxy Labs, Vulcan blockchain, right? So yeah, man, people are very bullish on this project. 12 days ago, strategy to buy Safuugo. Now, obviously, there's gonna be bearish videos as well. Obviously, there will be bearish videos. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, man, there's constant content creation on this project. 8k subscribers. Fully, you know, fully talking about Safu and Safuugo, right? Shout outs to the Greek DeFi guru, 8k subscribers, man. Constant updates for the Safuugo community. Like I said, as far as Binance Smart Chain goes, this is one of those ones that has a very strong community. Crypto Pride, right here. Vulcan blockchain. Talking about Vulcan blockchain and Safuugo. Look at that. Because I'm guessing they are correlated. Safuugo news, Vulcan blockchain. So yeah, guys, just bringing it to your attention for the people that wanted me to give an update, because I made my Safu protocol video. A lot of people were asking me to give them an update. Looks like they crushed it on the launch, to me, in my opinion. That's what it looks like. I mean, it's up to 13.5 mil market cap right now, so you know, it looks like they crushed it on the launch. 2.83 million dollars in market cap. You know, absolutely great stuff. Pretty nice project from what I could see, man. Pretty nice project. They're building out this project. There's constant content creation that is happening around the project. That means that it has a strong community. community is one of the reasons for a project success. When there's a strong community, there's constant, you know, content creators, people, social media influencers that are constantly talking about a project. That's when you be like, okay, it got legs. We saw what happened with Pepe. Now, you know, this is a use case project, but you know, this is building out utility. But we see what happened with Pepe when everyone was talking about it. What happened, right? So the same thing can happen right here with Safuugo, guys. So yeah, pretty bullish stuff, man. Pretty bullish stuff. And you know, I'll give future updates as well. If you hold Safuugo, you hold Safu protocol, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Leave a super thanks in the comment section, or become a Patreon to get exclusive access to my private Discord, early content, and early access to content and exclusive content as well. Safuugo, Safu protocol holders, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, spread this video. Let's get it to 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 views so we could get the message of the project for you guys out there. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.